This video I will introduce a unique hotel in Cappadocia, Turkey, Sacred House. It is a 250 years old Greek mansion, originally a Christian church. There are 23 rooms, each uniquely decorated with a specific period and culture in mind, featuring antique furnitures. I will be showing you 2 rooms and I'll start with Anka's layer. This is the old chapel. Now let's tour around the hotel environment. The hotel is adorned with statues, mirrors, fireplaces, and many antiques throughout. The highlights of this hotel would be the Inferno underground red lit pool, its volcanic cave setting, and Turkish hammam and spot for the ultimate relaxation. When night falls, a magnificent yet eerie atmosphere envelopes the entire hotel.